We are thinking Mother's Day here at Crafts Direct, and I want to share with you this fun flower bouquet. All the flowers are made of your favorite little ones' handprints. Then you can do another handprint down here, and it is the perfect Mother's Day gift that'll last forever.
To start this project out, we're going to grab our 6x6 paper pad and take out 6 pieces of paper. Then we're going to take our pre-cut handprint and trace it over one of the pieces of paper. Next, you get to cut that out and repeat the same thing with the next 3 sheets of paper. Next, we're going to grab a pencil and roll back the tips of each finger. And we're going to do this with every finger on each hand for all 6 handprints. Now we're going to take those handprints and we are going to turn them into flowers. So you're going to take each side of the hand and roll it towards each other to create the flower. Then you'll grab a piece of score tape, which is a double-sided adhesive, place it on one side of the hand, roll it together, peel off that plastic piece, and then stick it down. I used a pencil to help secure everything together so I could push against it nicely without creating a crease. Next, you'll grab a pipe cleaner, thread it through the middle of the flower, and then at the top you're going to take a pencil and twist it around the pencil a couple times to create a cute little curl in there, and that'll also help hold the pipe cleaner in place. Then you get to repeat this with the rest of your flowers. Once you've got all 6 flowers made, then you can start arranging them. So I just placed the colors where I wanted them. I made sure they weren't all overlapping too much. Once I got them in place, I took one of the pipe cleaner stems and wrapped it around the others so they all stayed secure. Next, we're going to create the bouquet holder out of the paper doily. So I just made a cone and then I used score tape to secure it to itself. I put the flowers in and now I'm getting ready to embellish that bouquet. We are going to trace one more handprint. This one's going to go on the outside of the bouquet. Take your hand template, line up that middle finger with the hole in the top of the paper. You're going to use that, trace it, and then cut it out. Next, we're going to grab our Doodlebug stickers, put I love you on the handprint. And then we're going to take that piece of jute, wrap it around the bouquet, double knot it in place, and then slide that handprint that says I love you through the jute, secure it with a bow, and you've got the perfect Mother's Day gift.
You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go over to our projects page.